But this is a very serious matter. May I just
Yes,
bring to
we
your
know that
notice?
it's a serious matter.
May I just bring to your notice few facts here?
Ah,
My lords, my learned colleague there has the application for remand, and that becomes very relevant. Now, an NBW order which is under challenge before my lords is, my lords, it's been taken only on the pretext that they require me for some investigation. There is not a whisper in the application that any kind of summons have been issued to me at any time or any detail of any of those summons requiring me to join the investigation. It is completely silent. My lords will even see that application for remand also. It does not mention that there was any kind of a thing that I was not appearing or I wasn't there. Now, it is quietly, it's very well settled that if you want to take an NBW against me, at least you have to issue summons, you have to ask me to join. In this case, nothing has been issued at all. My lords, number two, at this stage, when an NBW is issued against me, I am neither an accused nor I am evading arrest. Now, my lords, may take section 75 of the BNSS for a minute, please, with me.
just madam, just where is the order issuing non will warranty challenge here? क्या?
Yes, my lord. I have been
order?
challenged.
Where is
Yes,
that
my
order?
lord. Page number 31, my lords.
ये ठीक है.
My lords, at 32, page 31, my lords may come to the relevant portion at 32. My lords, my learned colleague is there. May I request him to just read it out for you,
नहीं,
please?
just we will ourselves read it out. Don't worry about it.
My lords, 32, the top two paragraphs will be.
Just madam.
Yes, I'm sorry. I apologize.
Yes, madam. बताइए.
Now, my lords, my learned colleague present there has the application that was filed. Even in the application, it's completely bereft. There are no specifics, no details, which summons, when was I called. In fact, it was not even the case of prosecution that there was an apprehension of me absconding or farar hone ka. The application does not mention any of that. Now, my lords, what is very significant is that this FIR is of 14 January 24. Now, in 1.5 years, they have not deemed it fit to call me at any time. They have filed a charge sheet and 2 supplementary charge sheets. I may have been named in the FIR, but in all the 3 charge sheets that have been filed, I have not been named. So therefore, at this stage, I am not an accused. Now, in this connection, please come to section 75 of the BNSS with me. NBWs could have been only issued, my lords, if I was an escaped convict, if I was a proclaimed offender, or I was a person who's accused of non-bailable offense. At this stage, I am not an accused at all because I'm not even named in the charge sheet at any
Maybe,
stage.
what about the investigation being pending against you in the charge sheet?
My lords, they have not
you are
issued-
named in the FIR, madam. You are named in the FIR. You said
My
that the
lords,
charge sheet has not.
but
If a
it is-
person, if a investigation pending इनके खिलाफ क्या?
My lords, can I answer that?
जी जी please एक मिनट बताइए. You say that you are named in the FIR, but no charge sheet has been submitted against you. So
Yes,
you
please,
say
my
that
lords.
you are not yet an accused. How
Yes,
can
my
you say
lords.
that you are not an accused? You are named in the FIR. Investigation is pending. Then
So,
how
my
can you
lords,
say that you are
then
not
my
an accused?
submission, for your consideration is this, my lords,
Ji.
that if you now this could only be if an accused is evading arrest. If you look at section 75, escaped convict,
75
proclaimed offender,
BNS, 75 BNS, madam.
my lord, 75, or person who's accused and is evading arrest. There should be 2 components to it.
But
And
here,
if you see-
madam, I will stop you here. Just look at the impugn order. What
But
the
this is
learned
not
judge-
in the application, evading arrest. That's what I'm
madam.
trying
You
to
just
say.
maybe that may not be an application, but the court has applied its mind and has quoted the order of the apex court that in what circumstances an arrest warrant can be issued.
So,
If
my
you
lord,
go by section 41 of the CRPC on mere suspicion, also you can be taken into
my lords,
custody.
I can only say this here
Ji.
that number 1, it is not their case. They only say पूछताछ करनी है. They don't say they want to arrest.
Madam,
That is
you are
their
named in the
application.
FIR. You are named in the FIR. The investigation is pending.
lords, my
You
lords,
say
I
so
have
that
4
for the
points.
last 1.5 years, you did not appear before the investigating officer.
My lords,
Then
there
what
are
is
no
it?
summons. That is my case.
When you are,
My
when
case
you are
is.
Madam, when you are named in the FIR, no summons is to be issued. It was only on the
My lords,
apprehension. Also, the police
to appear for investigation. My lords, to appear for
Do
investigation.
you have
they
any
to at
interim
least
order
give
in your
me
favor for
summons.
the last 1.5 years? Do you have any interim order anticipatory bail from any
My
court
lords,
of
they
law?
didn't name me in the charge sheet. Why should I have that? Why
madam?
should I have if
you
I'm
are named?
Now,
You
my
are
lords,
named already
my
named
lords,
in the
if I may
FIR.
just
The
pause
investigation is pending against you. You say that you are not an accused. How can you say like this? You are an accused
My
in the
lord-
present case. There is an allegation against you
My
also
lords,
in
I
that
want
FIR.
to, my lords, I want to submit this.
Ji,
That in the respect of there is other point that I have is the manner in which my arrest has been carried out. Now, in respect of this very same liquor scam, my lords are aware that previous ED investigation, the FIR was quashed by the Supreme Court on 8th of April
We
2024.
have made that exercise a lot. And
Oh,
we
my
have
lords,
also,
just 1 minute.
and we
Bear
have
out
already
with me.
passed an order,
Bear
and
out
probably
with
the this court's
My
order
lords-
has also been upheld by the Supreme Court.
That is pending on the
My lords, no, that
Sandeep,
they just,
Anil
I am not
Tuteja
on
again.
that. My lords, I have been appearing in those matters. I am not
There
at
was
all
an
on
LOC against
that.
him.
Just allow me a
बताएं,
minute.
please बताइए.
Yes.
हाँ.
My case is twofold, if I may make this submission and make myself
First
clear.
of your
My lords,
argument
this
was
is a-
that you are not charge sheeted, though you are named in the FIR, therefore you are not an accused, you
Yes.
cannot be summoned
Now-
because there
now,
is
my
no
lords,
summons
my-
has been issued. Next point, what you want?
Yeah, can I?
Ji,
I
next
want to,
बताइए.
my lords, I have 4
And now you
points.
want to
Allow me to
demonstrate
just
before this court regarding the manner in which you have been arrested. The second point, you
arrested.
please
That is
बताइए.
one. Second thing that I want to point out, if I can just complete my first argument, it will only
जी,
take me
बताएं,
1 minute.
please बताइए,
My
please
lords, it will be my case that under section 193(9), now there are charge sheets that are filed, charge sheet and 2 supplementary. If the IO wants to carry out further investigation, which is beyond the period of 90 days, he has to then take the permission of the magistrate. It is not the case here at all of the prosecution that they have taken any such permission in which I am required. That is only to persuade my lords to accept my case that as of now, I have not been required. I'm not going further than that, but I will make good my argument. So, my lords, it is therefore my case that at this stage, when no further investigation can be carried out in terms of 193(9), in charge sheet I have not been
193(9)
of the BNSS,
BNSS, 193(9) of the BNSS.
BNSS.
193
My lords, it is equivalent to the
further investigation.
it is equivalent to 1. Yes, my lords, it's equivalent to 173(8) of the erstwhile CRPC, my lords. And my lords, but there is a proviso that is added to it, and I would request my lords to look at that proviso. My lords, I have 4 points here. I would request you to please allow me. I'm sorry if I'm taking your time, but
please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Very, very kind of you, my lords. Very, very kind. So, my lords, there is a proviso to 193(9), which, if my lords may just look at that, which says, provided further investigation during trial may be permitted with the permission of the court trying the case, and same shall be completed within a period of 90 days, which may be extended with permission of the court. Now, 2 supplementaries have been filed. Thereafter, it is my reason to believe that no such further extension has been taken, so that comes to an end. So, my lords, I'm linking my 75 argument with 193(9) for my lords' permission, this thing. My lords, my second limb on the same thing will be that there is no mention either in the application or in the order that they have issued any summons or how am I evading arrest. It is my case that there is another case which is going on in Raipur, and I have been appearing there, and the last that I've appeared in that case is on 4th of April 2025. So how can it be said that I'm not there, I'm not available? I am at the same place. Number 3, in the same limb of the argument, in this case, my lords, this case, as my lords are aware, is an offshoot of the previous ECIR, which was ECIR number 10. In that matter, ED has already come, that issued me summons. I have responded to it was an ACB summons, I believe. I have responded in writing to those particular summons. I have also annexed that. My lords will find that at page number 73. So, my lords, it's not that I'm not joining or I'm not available. I am saying this NBWs are bad. So, my lords may turn to page number 73. These were the previous summons that were issued to me.
You first also answered the query of the court. When your bail application has been rejected by the competent court, what stopped you from moving an application for bail before the higher court?
My lords,
this is Article 220. You have an alternative remedy. You have an alternative remedy. You should have moved the bail application. You are already in custody. It is not that you are outside jail and you are challenging that arrest warrant.
My lords, I will rely upon the orders, judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court,
do so.
where the arrest is bad per se.
But you have not been able to demonstrate how the arrest is bad. We asked you.
Now I'm coming to my second point. That is my first point. Now, my lords, I respectfully submit that please look at the manner in which this arrest has taken place, and according to me, that is completely bad. My lords, on 30th of May 2025, at about 9:15 p.m., my lords, I am detained at the airport in Delhi. On my way, I was traveling to Paris. Now, it is the case that in one of the case of Mahadev scam, where I have not been arrested or anything, there was an earlier lookout circular that had been issued. So, apropos to that lookout circular, I am detained at the Delhi airport. Then the ED Gurugram comes and it takes me. I am kept there the whole night. It is their case that I am interrogated out there by the ED. Now, this is all the Mahadev scam case. This is not the present case. My lords, I am detained there till 6 o'clock in the evening. And the ACB in the present case is called from Raipur, which lands in Delhi, and it takes me into custody from the office of the ED in Gurugram. Thereafter, I am brought by a flight to Nagpur. And from Nagpur, the ACB brings me to Nagpur. At Nagpur, I am told, you take a cab, and in the cab, I am brought to Raipur. Now, my lords, this by which time it is 1st of June 2025. 30th at about 9:15 at the airport I have been detained. Till this period when I am brought to Raipur, I have not been produced before any magistrate. Now, no, I have not been produced anywhere. There is no transit remand that is taken. Nothing has been there. Now, ACB's case is that I have been arrested apropos to the NBW. That is completely wrong. Why I say, if you want to take me into custody apropos to the NBW, it is required that you produce me before the nearest magistrate, and before the magistrate take a transit remand and bring me to Raipur. If that be so, that is not done. What is shown is that I am arrested, and I am arrested according to them on 31st of May at about 8:15 in the night. Now, in Delhi, in Gurugram actually, not even Delhi, in Gurugram. Now, my lords, I am then, at that point in time, no a regular arrest could have been made against me, because there is only an NBW that has been issued. How could an arrest be made when there is a non-bailable warrant that has been issued, my lords? And my lords, again, the grounds of arrest, which are then supplied on the next day, which is couple of hours just before I am produced before the magistrate, do not make any mention of the NBWs. My lords will find the ground of arrest at page
one question more. One question more. Yes. You please, say that a non-bail warrant has been issued, right?
Please.
But the order of the learned magistrate doesn't show that it is a non-bail. It is only an arrest warrant. You, according to your own showing, say that you were at Delhi and you were, in persons of the lookout notice, you were traveling to Paris, and thereafter you were arrested. The learned magistrate in his order says so, that there is, and it is the फरार होने का दर्शित है, मतलब उसमें order में लिखा हुआ है कि you are likely to be fleeing, you are going to Paris, and warrant had already been issued on 16/5. That is why, in persons of that warrant, they have arrested you from the airport.
So, my lord,
you say so. It doesn't talk about the non-bail warrant. It only, what is the difference between a non-bailable warrant and arrest warrant? Just let us know where it is defined. What is the difference?
It is an arrest warrant. Let me just.
You are talking about the non-bail warrant. Non-bail warrant. As soon as the non-bail warrant is issued, then what you are saying is absolutely correct. That a summons has to be issued by the magistrate or bailable warrant. It is an arrest warrant. He says so. Yes. That बगैर तिथि का गिरफ्तारी warrant है.
So, my lords, I take it that it is an arrest warrant. I take it that it is an arrest warrant.
Yes.
Be that as it may.
Arrest warrant के लिए आपकी जरूरत नहीं है कि जो है क्या नाम है आपको summons issue किया जाए या कुछ है.
But
you are arrested and you are named in this FIR. You are named in the. It is true that a supplementary charge sheet has been submitted. Investigation is still pending. That is there. If supposing you would have travelled abroad, then what will be the fate of this case? What will have been the fate of this case?
Just may I just answer that by saying that the FIR is registered on 14 January 2024. This non-bailable warrant is sought, the arrest warrant, let me call it. I'm sorry, I'm using a wrong word. Is issued on 16th of May 2025. I ask myself this question, and I request you to consider it, that there is not a whisper in the application or in the order. What are the dates when you have required my presence, or you have summoned me for investigation and I have not come? That it is completely silent, my lords. My lords, I respectfully submit that at least such abuse is required to be at least considered by my lords. My lords, my bail application may be what? I'm today not asking for an interim relief. I am saying please call them and ask them where are those documents that they have called me at any stage. That they have called me at any stage. I'm not asking, my lords,
चलिए
that you
आप
should.
बताइए what you have to say.
I am appealing for the ACB, my lord.
आप किधर से अपीयर कर रहे हैं?
For state, my lord. ACB, my lord.
ACB,
He
हाँ
is
आप
seeking relief
बताइए.
against me, my lord.
है बताइए 1.5 साल तक आपने क्यों नहीं इनको अरेस्ट किया? एकाएक आपको कैसे पता
My
चल
lord,
गया
the
कि ये
case
भाग
diary
रहे?
was produced before the
आपने 2 बार सप्लीमेंट्री चार्जशीट सबमिट किया है.
Well,
What
we-
were you waiting for? He is already named in the FIR.
we sought for
What stopped you from arresting him
But
when the
he-
other co-accused have been arrested?
he-
Why? What you stopped?
he was evading arrest, my lord.
How do you say that? How many
Madam,
times you have raided his house? How many times you have raided his house?
The trial court has perused the case diary, my lord. After perusal, entire material was there in the case diary.
What the
And
submission
he-
is that for last 1.5 years the FIR has been registered. Charge sheet has been submitted against the co-accused
But
person.
we are
Twice you have submitted a supplementary charge sheet. What were you waiting for this
we are
person?
collecting evidence against each accused, my lord. There is a
What
serious
is this?
scam, my lord.
What is this?
My lord, there are more than 300 witnesses we have examined, my lord. This is not a simple.
The problem is
investigation,
that
my
you
lord.
people only are interested in quality,
no,
quantity,
not
not in
qualitative,
qualitative.
my lord.
Why, 1.5 years have passed. At least if he is named in the FIR, his
prima facie-
participation should have been there.
My lord is absolutely. My lord, there are more than 71 accused person named in the FIR, my lord.
भाई
We have already
71 है
recorded.
जिसका नामजद
But we have-
FIR था तो उसका
But we-
1.5 साल आपको लग गया इन्वेस्टिगेशन में उसका इन्वॉल्वमेंट पाने के लिए. ये भी तो आप सोचिए.
No, my lord. we are
ओवर डूइंग
collecting-
दोनों ही तरफ से रहती है. द
my
प्रॉब्लम
lord,
इज दैट
This scam is very
ओवर
serious
डूइंग
in
दोनों
nature,
ही
my
तरफ
lord. We
से
are
रहती है.
collecting
आप लोग ये
evidence.
इतना दिक्कत
So
कर
my lord
रहे
is
हैं.
a fold over investigation, my lord. The Supreme Court is also a fold over investigation, my lord. Before the
नहीं,
honorable
that is-
Supreme Court,
भाई,
the trial we have
if there is
submitted.
anything against him, then you had a right to file a police report or final report, whatever may be the case.
Now the material is against him, my lord. If we file the bail application, we will produce the material before the my lord, my lord. But he was evading arrest, my lord. This is in the case diary, my lord.
अच्छा
There are trial
एक
court-
चीज ये बताइए what madam has just now argued that he was arrested from Delhi airport
Gurugram,
while he
yes.
was traveling
at
abroad.
8:15 p.m., my lord.
हाँ ठीक है. You under she says that under a lookout notice
No,
which was
we have
issued in
no-
Mahadev app. कौन है वो?
लुकआउट
आपने
नोटिस
उसके तहत इनको वहां पर रोका
नहीं, नहीं,
और उसके बाद
we have not stopped. My lord, what had happened, my lord? He was
how
traveling.
lookout notice था क्या?
LOC lookout circular was issued by the enforcement directorate in the
Enforcement-
Mahadev scam case against this person.
तो इसमें क्या
तो ये जा रहे थे ब्राजील,
Rajiv.
यहाँ नहीं आ रहे थे
तो
इन्वेस्टिगेशन
आपने इनको महादेव ऐप में भी डिटेन किया क्या?
महादेव ऐप में पूछताछ करी इनसे.
नहीं महादेव ऐप में तो आप पूछताछ कर रहे थे तो डिटेन तो इस वाले में कर लिया ना वहां से.
Sir, the investigation of ED is different from the investigation of ACB. The investigation of ED is different from the investigation of ACB, my lord. He was interrogated by the ED in a different offense, my lord. Thereafter, we have arrested him, my lord.
वो भी
नहीं,
इनको
नहीं,
समन
but
दे दी.
he is accused of-
what she has just now
He
said.
is accused in multiple cases, my
How
lord.
far she is correct, we don't know. We are asking you a question.
Yes.
She said that he was traveling
He was
abroad,
traveling
है ना?
to Sao Paulo,
ठीक है ना? तो एक कोई लुकआउट सर्कुलर भी था इनके
Yes,
खिलाफ
yes.
जिसके तहत इन लोग ने वहां पकड़ा. तो जो लुकआउट सर्कुलर था उसके पर्सन्स में ईडी ने कुछ इनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई की क्या?
ईडी ने इनको समन किया और समन करके इनको ले गए अपने ऑफिस में और इनसे पूछताछ करी.
तो जो
अब पूछताछ करने के बाद
आपने
फिर-
कहीं अपनी एंट्री इनकी लुकआउट नोटिस के तहत कुछ किया था क्या? जो ईडी ने किया था. और उसके बाद तो भाई ठीक है, जैसे कि होता है कि एक एक्यूज पकड़ा गया तो उसके खिलाफ जो भी केसेस हैं तो हर जगह के थाने की पुलिस पहुंच जाएगी, उसमें तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं, तो नॉर्मल फिनोमेना है. उनका ये कहना था कि हमको तो महादेव ऐप के चक्कर में किया और बाद में आपने इनको बुला के हमको पकड़वा दिया यहाँ पर और ये रायपुर ले आए और ट्रांजिट मैजिस्ट्रेट क्या क्यों नहीं पेश किया इनको?
But he is not paying any relief against ED in this petition, my lord.
हैं?
He is not paying any relief against that
say
action.
so. आपने कहीं मैडम have you pleaded anywhere that you were detained by the ED in persons of
Yeah.
Yes, my lord.
The pleading is the-
pleading is there ना?
pleading is there, my lord. There is no prayer
Yes, my
against
lord.
ED, my lord.
नहीं नहीं
The
ED
action
की
is
ना
illegal. But
she is arguing
yes,
that जैसे होता है ना एक केस में अरेस्ट किया मोटरसाइकिल के तो 4 थाने में और केस है तो उसमें भी ले आए. तो दैट इज व्हाट शी इज
being the investigation agency, and
लुकआउट
the-
that has been
लुकआउट सर्कुलर कब का है?
deprecated.
लुकआउट सर्कुलर कब का है?
So the ED can tell that.
वो
my lord.
पुराना है
आप
सर.
ईडी की तरफ से अपील कर रहे हैं क्या?
हाँ जी जी.
ईडी भी पार्टी है क्या?
Yes,
ये
my
कोई पार्टी है.
Because we have pleaded specific.
अच्छा ईडी भी
That's
पार्टी है क्या?
Yes, my lords.
ओके.
And my lords, then I
Not
was
be
not
considered
taken
illegal,
into
my lord, within
custody in the
24
ED
hours.
matter at
This
all.
is not the case of
In
the
ED, I was
petitioner, my
let
lord,
go.
within
वो
24
तो
hours. we not-
अच्छा आपने इनको अरेस्ट कब किया था वहां पर?
हमने इनको on 31st भी 8:15 p.m.
हैं
On 31st May 2025 at 8:15 p.m.
8:15 पे अरेस्ट किया
Arrest
है।
किया।
ये तो ये रायपुर में किया होगा ना?
नहीं, अरेस्ट हमने दिल्ली में ही किया उनको।
दिल्ली में 31st को कि 30th को किया?
30 हमने 31st को किया,
आपने 31st को किया है एसीबी ने?
एसीबी ने। और उसके बाद हमने दोपहर में 3 बजे अगले दिन को पेश कर दिया मजिस्ट्रेट के सामने।
पहली तारीख को
पहली तारीख को विदिन 20।
और इन्होंने कब किया था?
इन्हें अरेस्ट ही नहीं किया, इन्हें इसको इंट्रोगेशन करके छोड़ दिया।
नहीं तो इन्होंने मैडम ने बोला कि 30 तारीख को इन्होंने
I was on 30th of May
30
at
को इनको
about
डिटेन
9
किया,
o'clock in
31st को
the
आपने
evening.
8:15 बजे इनको अरेस्ट कर लिया।
डिटेन इनने किया, इनने छोड़ दिया, उसके बाद हमने अरेस्ट किया। जब
हाँ।
इनने छोड़ दिया उसके बाद हमने अरेस्ट किया।
अच्छा।
तो हमारी कस्टडी तो 8:15 से स्टार्ट होगी
8:15 से
और अब विदिन 24 आवर्स हमने इनको प्रस्तुत कर दिया मजिस्ट्रेट के सामने। इनका केस नहीं है कि 24 घंटे में प्रस्तुत नहीं किया गया
No,
करके। इनका
this is
कहना है वहां भी प्रस्तुत कर
exactly
सकते
what had been
थे।
deprecated by Supreme Court in the Anil Tuteja matter. In Tuteja matter, exactly what this has been done, and the Supreme Court had very seriously deprecated the conduct of keeping. My lords, can I just
Madam, the
read that
problem is
particular
that you are
order?
already in jail. We cannot quash this arrest warrant. No? We do not
No,
find
I am
any
not
judgment.
asking, but I am asking you to at least consider this particular aspect, my lords. If my